What's going on, people? Welcome back to Jamaica Alpha Space. Blessing to you, fam. Remember to leave a like, remember to leave a subscription and a comment if you so please. Shout out to everyone who has tuned in. Alright, so remember last time we touched on the lesson to ask someone where are they from. You know what I mean? Where do you live? Where you come from? Right? So now we're going to add something. Remember last time, well, a couple lessons ago, we said that a woman, we can address them as mumma, which is coming from the English translation of mother, right? Or if it's a guy, you can refer to them as chargy or daddy, right? So we're going to add that to the question, right? So if you're asking a guy, where is he from? You're going to say, where you come from, chargy? Or where you come from, daddy? And for a woman, you'd say, where you come from, mama?